Hi guys, I'm Chantel and this is Essentially Chantel, where we talk about all things that put us on the road to wellness, including essential oils. Today we're talking about Thieves. We're talking about the beloved, amazing, my favorite essential oil ever, Thieves. So if you've watched any other videos about Thieves, you know we love to tell the story about the legend of the four thieves. So in case you haven't heard that, it's basically this. Back in the 15th century, when the Black Plague was going on, I believe, that there were four thieves and they were spice traders. So they knew all about the benefits of different spices and different plants. And they would rob graves and they would rob the ill of all their worldly possessions and not get sick. So they used a combination of clove and cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon and rosemary, and they did get sick. So then when they got caught, they were offered leniency on their sentence if they told I think the royal families what they had used not to get sick. So that's the story. That's why it's called Thieves. We all love that story. We love to tell it. So there you go. It is my favorite oil. If I was on a deserted island and I could only pick one essential oil with me, it would be Thieves. It's my go-to oil. You know how for some people, or for so many people, it's frankincense. They say, when in doubt, use frankincense. Or lavender. It's a Swiss Army knife of all essential oils. And they are great and amazing, and I love them both. But my go-to, when I don't know what to do, Thieves. I put Thieves on, I'll take Thieves, I'll do whatever, I'll diffuse Thieves, and then I layer it with peppermint. 99% of the time, it helps whatever my body has needed. Today, I am obviously diffusing Thieves on its own. It's one of my favorite diffusing scents. To me, it smells like fall because of those 5 different plants. You've got the clove, you've got the cinnamon, eucalyptus, and lemon and rosemary. I just love it. I diffuse it all year round. It's amazing for boosting your immune system. You need to have this in your life every day to boost your immune system, your overall wellness. It's great for your respiratory system. And then there are so many products that Young Living makes with the Thieves blend. So one of the other important things that you need to know, I've been talking a little bit about frequency. 150 megahertz. Yes, in Thieves, in that blend for each drop. That's crazy. So no wonder I love it, and no wonder it helps to help my body with whatever it might need. Now, there was a study done, let me just read this to you, in 1997, Weber State University, and it showed that after 10 minutes of diffusing Thieves essential oil, that there was an 82% reduction in gram-positive bacteria, and in that same time, a 96% reduction in gram-negative bacteria. So it really does just help keep your whole environment so well. It's one of my everyday oils. I use it on my feet every single night. Now, some of my favorite products with the Thieves blend is the hand soap. I love this hand soap. It's in our kitchen, it's in our bathroom. I actually did get this from Young Living, but after the bottle's empty, I make my own Thieves foaming hand soap. It's great. I like it just as well. Every couple years, I'll invest in new Thieves containers, and then again, I just start making my own. So great. I love the Thieves mouth rinse, and I'm a dental hygienist, so I know a little bit about mouth rinses, if you know what I'm saying. And this has all those ingredients in it. There's no alcohol, there's no synthetic dyes, there's no artificial flavors, no preservatives. Oh my gosh, though, you can tell this is old packaging because I had so many bottles of it. It's almost gone. I'm going to have to get some more. But they say to use a capful and you swish it with your mouth. Oh no, I can't do that. It's way too intense for me. So I'll take a little bit, and I put about a quarter of a capful of the Thieves mouth rinse. And then I already have water in my mouth. Add it, and then I swish for a minute, and then I spit it out. And my gums look amazing, as they should, right? The Thieves household cleaner. I use this for everything. I don't need any other thing in my house. So Thieves household cleaner, I use it for my counters, I use it in my sink. I will actually take the Thieves concentrate, a capful with some baking soda, and then I use it as a soft scrub for the sinks and for the bathtubs. I know a lot of people use it on their mirrors. it's just amazing. So you can't go wrong with that. Thieves cough drops are absolutely one of my favorite things. They're always out of stock, so get them while you can if they're in stock. Always have some on hand if I feel like my throat might need some support, if there's some changes going on. Honestly, I will use one of these. And again, 9 times out of 10, I feel so much better. If I do feel like I'm going beneath the wellness line, I'll actually ingest Thieves, and then I ingest it with the white label, the Thieves Vitality, and this is, like I said, the one that comes in the premium starter kit now, and I'll put it in a capsule. And these capsules you can either get from Amazon or for Young Living. I prefer the size 00 because they're bigger, and then you can put more oil and more fractionated coconut oil in there. So it looks like this, and then I'll open it up, and I have a little wood block that's been cut out to hold the capsules, and I'll put a few drops of the Thieves essential oil in it, and then I will use my fractionated coconut oil. Remember, that's the liquid, in a pipette. Looks like this. I think I got these from Amazon. I get everything from Amazon or from Young Living. But anyways, I'll fill this up and then fill up the rest of the capsule with the fractionated coconut oil, and I'll take this like morning and night if I feel myself getting beneath the wellness line. So it does so much for so many of us. And like I said, it's my go-to oil. Can't live without it. You need this in your life. And I know this is supposed to be my essential tips in under 5 minutes, but with Thieves, you know, I needed 6 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I so appreciate it. And if you have others that are interested in oils, or you have new team members, share my videos so that we can utilize the information that I have with your team to grow your team so that they can know more and love these amazing oils.